How to research anything using U.com AI. First, open your web browser and go to U.com. Then sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the home page, tap the search bar and type your research topic. For example, how does artificial intelligence work? Or best laptops for students in 2026. Now, click the search button. U.com AI will generate a detailed answer by combining information from multiple sources. It also provides links to the original websites, so you can verify the information. If you need more details, ask follow-up questions in the chat, such as summarize this topic, or explain it in simple language, or compare the top options. The AI will continue the conversation and refine the results. Finally, copy your research notes, save the conversation, or share the results if those options are available in your account. That's it. You've successfully researched a topic using U.com AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.